Hey, it's Nick from Elliot's Music Academy, and I'm here to run through the acoustic drum kit with you. Okay, so a lot of you guys have electric drum kits with it, which is awesome, but the electric drum kit is replicating the sounds from an acoustic drum kit. Some people also call it a real drum kit. It's super loud, super awesome, and it should always be our goal, even if we're playing on an electric kit, to ultimately play on an acoustic drum kit. So like you'll know, we've got our, just like on our electric kit, we've got our kick drum. On this kit though, it's much bigger, looks much bigger to get a much bigger sound. We've got our snare drum right in front of us. We've got tom 1. Usually on an electric drum kit you would have tom 2. You can have those on an acoustic kit as well, but my drum kit doesn't have one of those. Not all drum kits are set up exactly the same. So we've just got tom 1 and then our floor tom. On our right hand side we've got our ride cymbal. On our left side we've got our crash cymbal. And then down here we've got our hi-hat, which a lot of you ask about the hi-hat pedal and what that means. Now what that is the hi-hat is actually 2 cymbals. Okay, so as we can see here, we've got 2 cymbals sitting on top of each other. If we play the hi-hat like that, it's going to be very loud. By closing down the pedal, they're going to be a lot tighter sounding, and actually how you would use it for the majority of the time to get the sound here. So when you're practicing on your electric drum kit, it's important to practice with your foot down on that pedal, just as if we were playing on an acoustic drum kit.